the state of Mississippi. Papa was a copper and the mama was a hippie. In Alabama, she was swinging a hammer. Price you gotta pay when you break the panorama. She never knew that there was anything more than gold. What in the world does your company?
Hey guys, so I just picked up a 2017 Yamaha XSR900. And some of you guys would be like, why would I get this bike if I already have an R1? Well, I'm gonna keep the R1 because it's a fun bike, but I just needed something more comfortable, more upright for around the city, because this thing, even though I love it, but it's really only great on the highways and around town. For quick trips it's okay, but if you're, going through traffic, it's a real pain just being winged over all the time. But this thing is a pretty good all-around bike. It's got the power, the torque, and the upright seating position. So yeah, it's a really good all-around bike, and I remember I wanted this even before the R1. When I saw it when it came out in 2016, I just really liked the looks of it. The tail light, the tire, the tank. I think they really did a good job, and the dash. I just really like the look of it. And so today I gotta do an oil change because I hit about 600 miles, just over, I think. Yeah, 615. So I bought the oil and I'm about to do an oil change. So to put the bike on a rear stand, you're gonna need some rear spools. I got these from Cycle Gear. I paid a little more than you can get them online, but they're not too far away from me, so I got them there. And the oil I'll be using is the Mobil one 4T. I usually use the Castrol Power 1, but I heard this is a little bit better. So it is more expensive, but I wanted to try it out, see how it goes. So you want to use some rubber gloves because I just got a whole lot of oil on that mechanic's glove. Now I gotta wash it. And that's it, guys. It's all done. Thanks for watching.